Hey, it's Erin Lee. I'm super excited because I'm planting my own herb garden. Yay! It just came in the mail. So it comes in a kit. It's called Seedsheet. Super easy for me because I don't garden. My sister is growing one of these in her apartment. That's exactly what it looks like. Just bushes over with all these herbs. And so it's really cool because she was saying, she's like, if you're going to eat herbs, they should be organic. And she's totally right, because I usually buy like a basil plant at the store, and a lot of times those are GMO and they're totally pesticide laden. So grow your own. This is super easy. They make it so easy. You just put this on the soil, comes with everything you need. This is the size of your whole garden, comes in the special bag. So you put the seeds on top and you water it, and it actually has an app that will send you notifications like when to water. Perfect for me. Also how to harvest and recipes, etc. So they make it so easy, and I'm super excited because I love fresh herbs, and now I'm a gardener. You could be too, so try Seedsheet.